Now it's high time for you to step down.
Kinongelam Kakasi Students Union NEHU Unit but NEHU Students Union Nagajing Pitar bu Vice Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla umtre banikran batki hakano phai singi jong santrik nai wing arajarup saw kilarung sundan hakam ratri kam jong u kani kala ja hadien gajing ya gijat ban persha ya gajing skap minti Vice Chancellor halor kijing dawa ba fer jong kite ki arkan hon nalor gajing phaweng kam no mardor yu registrar deputy registrar bat kiwe ki officer bala kenno thongbi an tau VC kani hu ki arkan hon kila dawa no Vice Chancellor Uday bantung mardor yu pro Vice Chancellor ubadai nagajat bin rio khasi habayo banrung chakam ratri kam jong u lala ban yo sngo ye gajing ya ka bakhluj ba hagabala sakhi bo Vice Chancellor ru upershang ban penksan ye ladi bat kar kom tri kam jong school ba hagajing ye tainya la yo sngo bi Samla Pule kila ong ru yu Vice Chancellor bo Uday ban Hiar Shuki no mardor bat ban ong ba Uday brio bom tip Eiei Hadian kani kinoyelam kila penbena bakin pelong da gajing sha thangan nadu kan riu trek unai weng arajar arpusau
We see down, down. We see down, down. We need justice. We need justice. We see down, down. We see down, down. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand justice. Registrar down, down. Registrar go back. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand justice. We see down, down. We see down, down. We see down, down. Justice. We demand justice. We see down, down. Down, down. Islam gets you. Islam gets you. What the brand? What the brand?
So we have come here today to see for the object on which we have sent the letter to you last week, sir.
Yes, we already have this letter. The first thing is, you have already wrote a letter to the Government of India, President of India, and also the Education, Secretary to Education and Minister of the Education. Whatever the direction, because this is in the court of even higher authorities of the universities. Whatever the direction of the government, accordingly I will do.
Did they direct you to appoint as per your will, sir? Did they direct you to appoint as your will?
No.
The advisor, registrar, everybody?
No, already appointed anybody. First day also even discussed with you and clearly says that you just give me one man, whoever is one single man, I can show also the document. I can show the document. What is the system and principles? On the basis of that, then you can say, no, this is right or wrong. Without knowing the things, selection procedure of the university, one thing.
Who is the chairman of the selection committee, sir?
Definitely Vice Chancellor will be the chairman.
Yeah, all the people will be from your side?
Yeah, no, not
in favor of you, sir?
No, not my favor. For the selection of the registrar, one president of India nominee.
Yeah, but what are the experts and the panels
Yes.
in that
Then
selection process?
two experts from different corners of the university, two different important universities of the country. Okay.
But
Then
who appoint them?
SC, ST nominees also there. Proper committee is there.
Yeah.
The decision.
Who select those people?
Yes. Those decisions were taken with the advice of the expert.
Let me tell you one thing. One question: the selection committee and panelists have the list of their name been passed through the AC Academic Council? Has it been passed through it? That's the question for you.
Registrar appointment, that is not.
I'm not talking about this. I'm a panelist of the selection committee. Has it been passed through
Yes.
the academic council?
Selection.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Has
Yes or
it
no?
been passed
This
to
is
the
not
academic
under
council?
the power of academic council.
This selection committee is not the
No,
power of academic
teacher
council.
selection committee is under the जो है even suggestion
I'm asking
of
you
the
yes or no?
No, teachers selections are under the जो है suggestion of academic council, but administrative position this is not under the जो है academic council.
I'm telling you about the panelist selection committee. Have it been passed to the academic council?
Just say yes.
No,
no.
Just say yes or no. Just answer it.
Definitely no.
As
As
all
per
equal
rules,
appointees.
as
all-
per no.
of all
First
incompetent-
listen, by all of you are already student. You
First listen, not first
you
listen.
can
Ask the question.
also read the act and
Where,
STP.
sir? Where to read, sir?
Where to read?
Where to read, sir?
That is
Where
already
to
put up. Already
Where,
is instructed and already put up. If you don't have copy, so I can provide you also.
Why now, sir?
Why now?
Why
Why
now?
now?
We ask
Why
you
not
to
3 months back? 3 months back,
Sir,
you asked.
You might have appointed registrar. Is he competent to work in that post, sir? Is
Yes,
his job
absolutely.
fruitful?
Yes.
Yes. No, sir. The student union believe it is not. As per you're talking about rules, sir. As per the rules of our university,
Yeah.
the duty he is the custodian of all the records of the university.
yes.
Despite of making numerous attempts from the union side to ask the act ordinances to the registrar, he has not been able to even fulfill that small demand of us. And you are saying that he is the most competent person. We saw him already how he acted at CUET exam, sir. So please, sir, don't teach us that he is the most competent person out of all those persons who have applied, sir. With no teaching, with no experience in academics, you are telling us that he is the most experienced person, sir.
Yeah, one thing.
No, sir, not one thing, no two thing, no three thing.
Just-
Where is the act and ordinances? Just answer that, sir. Not now. We have given this memorandum in the month of September. What is the response to that? Let's talk about memorandum.
Ordinance and जो है regulations are also not framed by me or during my tenure.
So you
No, sir, no. Wait, sir.
As I,
Here, if you don't know about
every,
ordinance.
even the offices, Dean Student Welfare Office, other offices that is directly or indirectly concerned with the जो है student have the ordinances and act.
All right, sir. Sir,
And
sir,
this is already done.
sir.
Some teachers also
So one
have
point.
that.
So when did you join the university, sir?
21.
21, right, sir? In 2022, all the ordinances act they were already in website. So you were present in 2022, right, sir? Then why not now, sir?
Maybe some work is already going on.
What some work, sir? What
Just
Sir, if the rules are so vague, they are not transparent, then how do we think that we will know the rules,
Things
sir?
are very transparent.
What transparent, sir? Nothing is transparent. When there is no rules, how can you talk about transparency? No, sir, but we do
Why?
not get. There is no copy in NEHU's office, sir. We have not received any such. We are also a statutory body, sir.
Yeah.
We have not received a copy
Okay.
whatsoever, despite of numerous attempts writing from our side.
Ever you ask a copy, a hard copy of the act and
Yes, already, sir. Several times I have. We have
From
even
JR,
the from JR. We have them from registrar as well.
2 months. It's been 2 months. We haven't got that ordinances.
Okay, I will provide you the copy.
Why now, sir? Why now?
Earlier
The
also
question,
you
no. Sir, the question is why now?
One copy of the act and
Not now, no, not now, sir. Not now, not now, not now. Sir, time is over, sir. Not now.
You already
Not
given
now.
the time and you cannot act that.
You want us to always come in this brute majority and to raise our concerns, sir? Why not only us when we used to come and talk to you, sir?
How many
They
times did
already
we not
talked
write
to
that to
you.
you, sir?
Even before you coming, I think yesterday the union member received a mail from the vice chancellor. Tomorrow afternoon I am ready to discuss about the matters. Whatever.
Why
what
now?
has about
Why
this why
now?
now? Earlier also.
No.
First also called to you for the discussion, but you have not joined. You have further discussion. You just raise another question.
We don't want discussion, we want action.
Sir, can you identify this document, sir?
Yeah.
Can you identify this
Yes.
document?
Yes.
So when did we submit this document?
This document was submitted and that is already given.
So-
this is not.
Sir,
This is
let's not
when,
let's
sir.
not deviate the question.
One minute.
Since you have identified this document, sir, when did we submit this document?
This is circulated to all the offices. Office of the dean.
So when was this document submitted?
Wait, first listen to me.
No, sir.
Sir,
When was this document submitted?
I think in the month of last week of
Sir,
September or first week
So
of
you don't need to think. You can just take the date and also check the received copy.
Yeah.
It is for 10th of September, sir.
Sir, just remembering the thing last week of the September or first week of
First week of September, sir. Okay. So then what was your response, sir? Did you call a meeting for that?
Yes,
We already called.
This-
Yes, right, sir.
Sir, अबे आप
सर देखिए
देखिए
सर आप हम लोग को सुनिए सर आप हम बोलेंगे और आप सुनिए
हाँ।
सुनने की क्षमता रखिए
हाँ है मैं सुनता हूँ
हाँ तो सुनिए सर
ठीक है
Sir, this document was submitted in the month of September, right, sir? Then what was your next step?
documents given to the registrar.
Yes, sir. Next step, you call a meeting.
No.
You didn't call a meeting, sir. You called a meeting, sir, right? And in the meeting, you said that you will take actions, proactive actions.
Action.
It
This
be-
matter is not only to related the office of the registrar. This is also related to the dean of the schools, even the some cells and deputy registrar office and finance officer office. Circulated a letter to all the even dean of the schools. This matter is concerned to the dean of the schools. This matter is concerned to the finance officer. This
So where is the
matter-
response to the letter, sir?
This matter is.
So where is the response to this memorandum?
The response is he registrar is already collected some materials already collected.
We have not received.
How to not
We have not received. You keep collecting for months and months, and our term will be over like this. Only this academic year will pass, sir.
After 25th जो है 25th जो है nothing is going क्योंकि after 25th
Since
you have locked the even I was not unaware जो you have locked the room of the registrar so registrar cannot work in the
Sir,
office.
do you identify this memorandum? It was submitted under your tenure in 2022, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. And this particular hostel issue regarding electrical appliances, geyser, television, and everything, sir. That they are not functioning properly, and also regarding the infrastructure, the leakage, the seepage system that is happening since 2022, sir. So since 2022, and the same issues is also being highlighted in our memorandum, sir. So then why are you taking so long, sir? 2 years, sir.
How many years do you need? 5, 6, 8?
Sir, even now also we have not. Even now there is no return, sir.
Tell us how many years you need, 10 years or 20 years so that we know.
You are well aware about the position of
Registrar, deputy registrar, and all those
we know.
legal appointments. Yes, sir, we are well aware.
We know.
Sir.
appointment
We are well aware.
earlier there
We
is
know
no
everything.
any university engineer. In between, I already
That's your incompetency. That is your problem.
appointed.
They are not competency.
My problem, no, my problem is
It's your failure.
yes, my
Yes.
Yes, sir. Your failure. You have failed to give our memorandum, sir. Now it's high time for you to step down.
After
It
joining,
is, sir, it is your failure. It is high time for you to step down.
after joining,
It is high time for you to step down, sir. No one is If you cannot take action against this illegal appointments, persons who are not competent, it's high time for you to step
I am
down, sir.
ready.
You are ready, sir.
Yes,
You are ready, yes, sir. Step down. Step down.
From
No
our
need in
side,
point.
we have no more confidence in your leadership. So please, we are requesting you step down from your post, sir.
Yes.
You and even the registrar, please step down. That's it. As of now, that's only our demand.
As for now, 2,000 students
No,
are...
this is not possible. This is not possible. It's only depend on the government.
In your leadership, nothing is possible. I'll tell you, sir. In your leadership, nothing is possible. There's no accountability. There's no transparency in your leadership.
All of you are
Step down.
I cannot
You think about it.
I cannot counter you can say anything.
Yes. I'm
Yeah.
smiling.
Yeah.
You don't know anything, sir.
Being qualified and don't know how to act also.
We had a talk with him just now. We have said to him about this memorandum that we submitted in the month of September. He told us that he is taking time to compile all this memorandum and give us a favorable response.
Liar, liar!
Yes, However, when we raised this same memorandum that was submitted back then in 2022 by the previous student body, he said that it is his failure that he was not able to comply with this. Now, if he is not able to fulfill the memorandums of 2022, will he be able to fulfill this memorandum that we have submitted freshly in 2024? If he is incompetent, we find that this person should step down. We cannot fulfill.
Baru ki Samla Pule, Pule hamni kiting semi kiri ticket clear. But mangi kum kakasi student union ngani yalam ba nado menta nagani gajaka ngin sang kelan mongor bat nginum I4 haduk lano bangin song amdai tang ban song hendai nginum bam wat tak usi sembo ukaru Nakania, ipagpaw, batipan, ketikasian, jong baro, ipai, jong kakasi, baro, bat kumjo, jong baro, ki Samla Pule hakani kapo, jong kani NEHU. Namar kani, kamdei tangka isu, babak, tak magyong, tangingi ki Samla Pule jong kakasi, henry jong baro, kijat, kidok, kibedan hakani ke skul bat NEHU. Tengah pan ketikasian jong hibaro, lada dan bakwa banlan la dia banwan sya thangan lang hang dia kapor pameta king snobha banwan chakhat ngin sa ka ni NEHU ai bagin yak hang dia kamle lei tamba
Habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.